Hi car friends, my check engine light went on, so I headed over to Autozone to get the free fix finder report, and it told me I needed a new camshaft sensor. It was a little intimidating at first, but I figured out it's one of the easiest things I can replace on my car. So let's get started. All right, there it goes. There goes the old one. Okay, I got my brand new camshaft sensor, and on different vehicles, they're in different spots. I'm only gonna replace one. This vehicle actually has two. The one I'm gonna replace is gonna be right here directly below. I can squeeze my hand in there. The other one is below this air intake, just right below there. But with this, I'm only gonna need an 8mm socket and wrench, and we're gonna ratchet. That's a ratchet. And let's get started. All right, you reach down here. There's a little clip at the end. You push it down, you'll hear it click, and you pull straight out. Then it's unhooked. Then you need to take the one 8mm bolt off underneath. Reach down there and get this undone. Once you have that bolt out, it should slide right out. Now, sometimes they get stuck. This one isn't the most new. It's not very new, so it's probably gonna be a little hard to take out. If you have trouble, you can always get a flathead screwdriver and kind of pry it out. Almost done. Should pull my flathead in there. A little prying. Almost got her. Ooh, all right. Got it out. There we go. On the new one, I put a little grease around the O-ring. There's a little ring around there that'll help it slide in easier. So you're just working your way back. Push it in there, make sure it's in there nice and tight. Oh, I can feel it just pop in there. Line up your 8. Right. Get this tight, nice and snug. Clip it back on. Make sure you hear the click, and voila, all done. All right, that's it, easy peasy. Got the old camshaft sensor out, the new one in, and it took no time at all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.